So I just wanted to let you know about a free workshop that I'm running. It's actually already started. There's 2 parts. Part 1 is up and ready, and it's a drawing lesson, and we're gonna draw this cute fairy on watercolor paper. So this lesson is already available for you. You can just go to awesomeartschool.com right now and sign up for part 1 to get the drawing portion. Just make sure you're working on watercolor paper. And then part 2 is actually going to be hosted right here on YouTube. And we're going to be doing the watercolor portion together. So this beautiful fairy. And I'm going to be teaching with my best friend, Lucy Bryden, who is an amazing watercolor artist, like amazing. So we're going to be teaching together. And we recommend, I just wanted to run over supplies super quick and because you still have time to grab what you need. We're going to be using the Woodland set by Prima, which I just dumped across my art table. These are what the colors look like. So if that's all you get, it's actually plenty. That's plenty to do this whole thing. I think I'm going to challenge myself actually to only use these colors for this project. Lucy, however, is also going to be using and teaching how to use and create skin colors using this Cotman watercolor set. It's like a skin tone set from Winsor Newton. And what else are we using? I am for sure going to be using these sign pens. I really love them. Check this out. They come in all these different colors. You can't see them because they're color tipped down. They come in a really fun array of 12 different colors. So I actually use these all the time. They're also water soluble, so you can blend them in with your watercolors. They're really fun, and I find myself using them over and over again. And this is not sponsored. All these are actual genuine art supplies, but yeah, they're really great. These are also amazing for eyelashes. Check this. Check out those bristles. Look how tiny that is. They're so teeny weeny tiny. So that's perfect for creating eyelashes. You can also bring some colored pencils. A lot of times we use colored pencils over watercolors because it's just like it can accentuate your shading or enhance your colors without like too much. If you're too scared, it's like a gentle way to add color, I guess is what I'm trying to say. She and I both use Polina Bright watercolor brushes. Obviously they're not required, but that comes up a lot what we use. So these are my favorite. They're Lucy's favorites too. And all the supplies that we're using are also in the free classroom for you. So again, I'll put a link in the description box if you want to go grab the reference, the supply list, and access to the part 1, which is the drawing. I'm also for sure going to be using my Copic White. This is my all-time favorite art supply. This and the Pentel Pocket Brush Pen. I actually love this so much that when people sign up to their annual memberships to my Celtic Collective Art Club, which is the club that Lucy and I run, I actually mail this to them for free because it's that good and I actually use it genuinely that much. So I'm very excited about that. And that's all you need. And then just the watercolor paper to get started. So yeah, I invite you to join us. So again, part 1 is ready. You can draw it. So the idea is you draw it in your own time. And I'm going to give you my cheat sheet guidelines. We're also going to talk about the proportions of a child's face versus an adult face because they have very different proportions. So you'll also glean that. I'll also be sharing with you my favorite template that I use. It's just an ellipse template, but it's awesome for creating consistent faces. And then part 2 is going to be held right here on July 28th at 1 p.m. Eastern. But if you're not available, if you're not around, don't worry about it because part 2, the replay is going to stay in that same free classroom. So everything's contained in the free classroom for you. So all you have to do there is enroll, and that way too I'll have your email and I can email you when I start, so you're not going to miss a thing. And if you do miss it, I'll email you the link to watch the replay and you'll have it in the classroom anyways. Make sense? Okay. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments for me. Check the description box and the link below for the free classroom to sign up, and then click the end screen now if you want to see me using this Woodlands palette in a whole project here on my YouTube channel for you, and you can check it out. Get crafty today. All right, I'll see you on July 28th.